Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Juan David Lozano, and this is the task number 6, which is about to talk about a different way to express or way to teach on some people that I have found in my neighborhood, especially in my neighborhood, which is people in different ages. Some of them are adults, and some of them are young people, teenagers always have a different perspective about learning English. And when you talk about adult people, they think that it's a need to learn and speak and using this special language. So I have created these slides. So it's about the community description and the learning needs. So I think that first of all we have to see what is the reality that people face, and then we can design a plan and give them a real solution. Because everybody has a struggle with English, but our purpose and my purpose in this case is to show a different way to learn, because we can teach in a different way. So I have to tell you that when you teach an adult, they think this is a need. So some of them need to increase the payment. Some of them want to go to another country to have different experience in their jobs. And when you talk with the teenagers, with young people, they think this is a thing we used to have to get that interest to learn English, because they something think this is boring, this is difficult, this is hard. So we must have to express a different way, a different method to teach English, so they can learn easily from us. So then I have to say how to or how I can perform this approach. So I think is the more complicated method. We can assume a different way to speak in a single word of any language that you student speaks, because it's that you have to use a method which is the instruction, which sometimes doesn't really has the real comprehension, because we sometimes speak and they don't really get the point, they don't get the picture. So we must use our partial expression. Sometimes we can move our face, we can move our hands, so we can try to use, let's talk about the direct method in education, which is a good one. And then we have different kinds of people, different way to teach. As I told you, if we are teaching of younger people, and if we are learning, if we are teaching to adult people, we must know that they think is interesting, because we must awake that feeling. We must wake that feeling in those people, which is young people, because adult people only need to have new knowledge to be more ready for their jobs. So as I told you, so that's why some of them think is needed, and some of them need to be interested in this way, in this special language, which is English. So what is my specific goal? So I think that we can break the traditional way to teach, knowing the right way to teach, because this depends about the people. So I have got to be carefully if I am teaching to old people, to young people, and in the end, I think we can give in more than they expect. So English is like a different way to learn, because some people think English is boring, English is difficult. But if we change this perception, if we modify this perception, this thought about English in those minds who think this is difficult, we can show a different way to learn. And okay, so I hope you really think this is helpful for you, because I have um, because I know that we sometimes need more experience about the way how we teach. I'm working in an academy, and these people, some people need to make this interesting, and some people go because they want, because they think it's important for their lives. And this is very important, this is very specific to know when we start this process, when we start to be a real teacher. I know I'm just a rookie, but I think this is a process, and we must learn different ways to teach and different ways to awake these feelings to the people. So thank you for watching the video, and thank you for letting me tell you this information. So have a good day, and bye bye.